Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this cooking we are doing a southwest one-pot lamb and rice in the Dutch oven. To start off we're going to fry some oil and some diced onion off until we're quite brown. Once that's cooking we're going to add some chopped garlic, diced lamb and some special seasoning mix I have for lamb. We're then going to mix all together and burn off the herbs slightly. After that we're going to put in some washed rice and then we shall mix that up and cook the rice for 2 to 3 minutes till it's slightly brown on the edges. So once we've cooked our rice off for a few minutes and got the edges brown, we're going to add some chicken stock. I know I'm using lamb, but chicken works fine as I didn't have any lamb stock. Up to you if you want to use that or not. So our next stage we added the black beans, some sweet corn and cheese. Stirred it all up and then we put it back on the heat to cook for a further 10 minutes just to dry everything out. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy my content and you would like to see better or bigger projects, please feel free to hit the subscribe button or the like button, visit my webpage and visit my Patreon page. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!